Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram messages from both sides. Whether you send an embarrassing message or you want to clear your chat history or simply desire to remove a conversation, you must to follow these steps. So the process is same for both iOS and Android. So first of all, open the Instagram application in your mobile and make sure you are logged into your account. Now when you open the Instagram app, swipe up to the right side to go to the message menu. Then open some chat you want. It doesn't matter which one you choose, but you need to have last message from you. Now on message you want to delete, go and long press, and that will open little pop-up menu with couple options. Then on the pop-up menu, click on the last option, that is option with red letters where is written unsend. So simply tap on this unsend and tap on this unsend again. And now as you can see, unsent messages are removed from the conversation, but this may still be included if the conversation is reported. Now he cannot see what you sent to him. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can delete Instagram messages from both sides. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.